That's why I got two of them. Because if I scratch this one up, I still get to look at one that's pretty. I love my Ryobi radio. Installed the floor a few days ago, and I just got done painting it, and it looks fantastic. This is my game room, and I love it. This used to be our living room couch, but we got a new couch, so now that's for the game room. And I cannot wait to see this finished. That doesn't look even. I'll fix that. Let's see. What will I need? I will need this with a 3 amp hour battery. Thank you very much. What did I do with that? But what do I need to do what I gotta do? What I gotta do is hang a TV. I think I have bolts that I bought for it here somewhere. There they are. I still gotta clean up this. This is still a mess. I gotta clean off the tools that I use to do the floor, which, as you can see, they're filthier than snot. So, but I love my tools. All right, I will need these. Oh, I hope I have the washers. Uh-oh. 3, 4. Uh-oh, I hope I have the washers. I might be shit out of luck. No washers, no washers, a shit ton of batteries. There they are, yay. 2 and 3, perfect. Got my washers. All right, because I'm using the impact, I will need my impact set. Yay, first try! And I have a drill inside already, I think, and I'll just take the... Yes, I have a drill inside already. Awesome, I get excited every time I get to use this. That thing is powerful! My favorite tool that I own. Hi, Poppy. Are you just chilling on the new couch? Okay. Alright, I did forget my frickin' stud finder, which this is wood, so I don't think it... We'll see. I'll grab it anyways. What you doing, Poppy? I know, Poppy, I know. Got this. It works. I found a stud. Oh, I forgot. Let's get these two. Works. Not on this. It's wood paneling, so it's every freaking inch of this is a stud. Yeah, it does. There's a stud right there. But test. You know what? I don't need that. Yeah, I am that crazy one. I do clean my tools. Oh. Yeah, that is hole number 3. Nope, not even close. Yeah, there's definitely a stud there. I honestly, wait, I think I know what to do. Let's go to my, because behind here is a closet that has drywall. Push this aside, push this aside. All right, I'm gonna need a tape measure. So let's measure that out between 23 and 24 inches. On my wife's closet, there should be a stud right here. Let's lower it, because this is where the TV is gonna go. Yep, definitely a stud there. Yes, there is.
This traffic report this afternoon is sponsored by JW Plastic Surgery. Early issues on the MWEs begin at 6:22 minutes.
Oh, this is nothing to this freaking drill. It didn't even make it. It didn't even make it freaking. Oh, that's awesome. I was wrong. It made it do it. I use it at number 1. I use it at number 1 because for stuff like this, why rush? Because I don't want to crack the wood in the back of the wall just in case. And I like hearing that sound. It makes my tool, it makes me feel powerful for holding this tool. That's good. I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. Just like that. God, look how dirty that is. This room, I will be cleaning off all my Ryobi tools after I'm done using them for the day. I'm going to set it up like that too. And after you're done using a bit and you're done with it for the day, put it back in its set.
And you'll also win a 4-pack of passes into the Museum of Science and Industry to see their pictures around the world and holidays of life exhibit open now through January.
I should have one more.
I'm looking for callers 20 at 1-855-939-6936.
Perfect. I did find my Xbox throughout all the clutter. I'm going to set that up. Oh, I haven't seen that in a long time. No, I have not. Look at that. Oh my, I miss this. I miss this. Now, Stop, puppy, it's okay. Like right now it's cold outside. It's like 22 degrees outside. And so what I am doing now, since I got the game room done, which I will show you the game room, I'm gonna keep the batteries inside the house during winter. You saw the video of me installing the floor. I did not make a video of me painting because painting is boring. I just finished it an hour ago, and yeah, it looks good. And yes, I did make a little Ryobi section right there. I did get our vacuum in here because this is the game room now. I still got to get doors. I love the way it looks now. This beats the hell out of my game room in our condo. So I love it. But I still have a lot more stuff to do. I still gotta finish this floor. Still gotta paint this. Still gotta work out in the screened-in porch. So yes, rooms are getting done, but there's still a lot of work to do. But I gotta go up in the attic and get some Christmas stuff, so I'm gonna have fun with that. Guys, have a good day.